The anticipation is finally over. Huawei has officially launched the first sale of its all-new Huawei Nova 14 smartphone in China. Beginning today, May 30th, you can visit Huawei's official online mall store to purchase the handset. And the best part? It's being offered at a surprising discount, courtesy of a limited-time promotion and an exclusive Chinese government subsidy. Let's explore the available configurations. The Nova 14 comes in two display options, a standard model and one featuring Kunlun glass for enhanced toughness. For storage, you can opt for either 256 GB or 512 GB, depending on your usage needs. In terms of aesthetics, Huawei has introduced three elegant colors: ice crystal blue, frost white, and classic black. So whether you prefer a sophisticated, vibrant, or bold look, there's a Nova 14 to match your style. Now let's delve into the pricing. Huawei is applying an introductory 50 yuan discount, but that's only the beginning. An additional subsidy from the Chinese government brings the cost down even further. Here's a quick breakdown. Nova 14 with 256 GB storage, initially priced at 2,699 yuan, now available for just 2,251.65 yuan post-subsidy. Nova 14 with 512 GB, originally 2,999 yuan, reduced to 2,556.65 yuan after the subsidy. Nova 14 with 512 GB and Kunlun glass, launched at 3,199 yuan, but now offered at 2,676 yuan after the government discount. You can head to Huawei's official mall website to secure your desired version before the promotional offer ends. Now, let's take a closer look at the device's specifications and features. The Huawei Nova 14 showcases a large 6.7-inch OLED display that supports an ultra-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. It also includes 2160 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, a 300 Hz touch sampling rate, and a full HD Plus resolution of 2412 by 1084 pixels with support for 1.07 billion colors, P3 wide color gamut, and up to 1100 nits of brightness. This screen promises an immersive viewing experience, whether you're watching videos, gaming, or browsing your socials. Powering the Nova 14 is the Kirin 8000 chipset, a robust and efficient processor built to manage multitasking, gaming sessions, and AI features effortlessly. The phone operates on HarmonyOS 5.0, Huawei's latest software version that introduces multiple intelligent and user-centric enhancements. Some of its AI-driven tools include Magic Image Shift, which optimizes photos for ideal aesthetics, Portrait Retouch for refined selfies, and new mood text themes to personalize your user interface. Celia, the intelligent assistant, is paired with a smart control key for quicker access to your top apps and functions. With Touch Share, file transfers between Huawei devices are seamless, and upgraded call features boost your communication experience. On the camera front, Huawei equips the Nova 14 with an advanced triple-lens rear setup. This includes a 50MP RYYB primary sensor for vivid, detailed images, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens for scenic shots or group captures, and a 12MP RYYB telephoto portrait sensor with 3x optical zoom, ideal for close-ups and stunning portraits. For selfies, there's a 50MP ultra-clear front camera that delivers crisp, lifelike results, perfect for video chats or social media uploads. The Nova 14 doesn't disappoint on battery life either. It houses a substantial 5,500 mAh battery, more than capable of lasting an entire day. And when you need to recharge, it supports 100W wired fast charging, getting you powered up swiftly. A standout feature is Beidou satellite messaging. This ensures that even in remote areas without traditional mobile coverage, you can send, receive, and edit texts and even transmit image messages via satellite communication. It's a significant advantage for explorers or users in underserved regions. In summary, the Huawei Nova 14 is a well-rounded smartphone. From its modern design, potent Kirin 8000 processor, and brilliant OLED display to its versatile camera system and robust battery with rapid charging, it ticks all the essential boxes. Factor in the compelling launch pricing and government subsidies, and it's an even more attractive purchase.